Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy Alpha from the Link TZ and I'm at the Manisha office. Last week we discussed about Maximo Lipo and how people can actually go to these centers and actually pay for your Dewasco, your water bills, your Tenesco, which is your electric bills, and things of the sort. This week we'll be talking about corporate responsibility. And in corporate responsibility, we're going to check in what corporations are responsible for in terms of their responsibility to their services, to their customers, the environment, and to see if they're keeping their protocols and what the ramifications are if they don't keep them. You can also leave your comments for us on this topic on www.facebook.com/TheLinkTZ. You can follow us on Twitter on @TheLinkTZ, and you can follow your boy Alpha on @ChiefAlpha on Twitter. Let us know what you think. TL space 15678 is our SMS platform. It's TL, leave a space, your message, and send it to 15678. Standard rates do apply. Let us know what you think, any topics that you want us to cover. We will look into it and we will get back to you shortly. This has been your boy Chief Alpha. Peace.